what you think.
Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you guys, before I get started, if you are new here, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, you guys, they're gonna tell you guys what we are gonna be making. And what's up, eBays? You already know. I love you all so much. So stay tuned, y'all.
Alright, so today we'll be making some turkey wings. Some turkey wings with some turkey neck. And we added some pigtails for flavor. And we'll be pairing it with some zucchini and squash. Then you make it right there.
No, I have leftovers, so we're not gonna waste it. And this meal, you guys, it is super affordable. It's something that you can cook for your family. And it's not, it's not expensive, all right? Due to inflation, y'all, everything is so expensive, and this is so affordable. You guys can pair this with whatever you like. It could be anything, mashed potatoes, noodles, whatever it is, all right? But we are gonna be pairing it, like they said, with the zucchini and the squash. So yeah, stay tuned, you guys. All right, you guys, as you can see, there's cutting the bell pepper, you guys. All right. Okay, this is the onion, you guys. The green bell pepper, as you've seen before, and the red one. Alright, you guys, so stay tuned. You guys, right now I'm gonna show you guys the seasoning that Bay and I are gonna use right now. Your girl is back, okay? So right now your girl gonna show you your mixture of our seasoning that we're gonna be using. So feel free, eBay, to use whatever seasoning you like, whatever seasoning you prefer. So right here, this is what we have. Voila, okay? Alright, we're gonna start here. We have Goya Adobo, okay? We have that. We have the hot Jamaican curry powder, clove seasoning, cayenne pepper, the black pepper. We have sea salt here, okay, and parsley and garlic. So we have everything combined here, you guys, together, and you just mix it. You can get a fork or spoon, just stir it together, and then yeah, you guys, stay tuned, babes, because we're gonna be cooking. All right. Oh, this is hot because your girl forgot that it was on. But yeah, come on in and look, y'all. Alright, you guys, we went ahead and add some oil, and I hope the seasoning stick on the meat, okay? Look how good this meat looks, you guys. So good. Alright, you guys, comment down below. Let me know if you guys usually cook turkey wings and stuff like that, y'all. But for me, we always do in this house. Okay, we cook everything, y'all. But yeah, you guys, let me know, how do you guys prepare if you do cook turkey wings or whatever meat? How do you guys prepare your chicken, your turkey, fish, and stuff like that? And I'm gonna start with this right here. Usually the way my mom taught me is to fry the tomato paste with oil with the Haitian seasoning and stuff. But we are doing it our own ways. Sometimes I do it like that, or I add the tomato paste, you know, at the end. Not at the end, but like in the middle, you know. But you guys gonna see, all right? So yeah, you guys, comment down below, let me know. And I would like to know, how do you guys prepare, how do you guys clean your meat? Because I am gonna tell you guys that now, which I should have tell you guys before. The reason why the meat look like pre-cooked is because the way we prepare our meat, you know. Some people here do it, but mostly it's the Caribbean people that do it. They like wash their meat with lime, lemon, salt, and vinegar. You guys already know the drill, okay? So right now, Bae is adding the tomato paste, y'all. As you can see, tomato paste is going in. It is not too late. And I forgot where I stopped, what I was talking about, you guys. I think I was talking about the meat look pre-cooked or steamed. And yeah, you know, the Caribbean people usually do that, but like, I think that's where I stopped, washing the meat with lemon, lime, and vinegar. But yeah, you guys, and then after that, you let it sit, you know, in the lime, lemon, salt, and vinegar. Then you rinse your meat. You all right, you rinse your meat. Then you throw the hot water on it. And what that does, you guys, it kills all the bacteria that is in the meat. Okay? And what I mean hot water, you guys, we boil the water. We boil the water on the stove, okay? Like you're cooking spaghetti, but with no oil, no salt. You can add like rosemary or green onion in your water and stuff like that. But yeah, we boil the water after you wash it or rinse your meat, you pour it on it. So like I said, it kills all the gunk, all the bacteria, and you know, all. I'm done talking. All right, you guys, Bae's gonna add some garlic, some minced garlic, you guys. Okay. All right, you guys, looking good, y'all. Look at this, looking so good. Had to come back, you guys. It smells so good.
Alright, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna throw in our onions and bell peppers. I like to kind of wait and throw them in a little later so they don't cook all the way down.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Real good.
So good, you know. This is not no sloppy Joe, okay? This. Alright, you guys, look at this. Like, you can't tell me, baby. You cannot tell me, honey. This right here, honey. I don't think y'all could see. One more time. 10 out of 10, honey, because your girl already tastes the gravy. Okay. 10 out of 10. So stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned.
Alright, so right now we're gonna start on the zucchini and the squash. I just put a little bit of avocado oil and small amount of butter. Add some garlic in there. I like a lot of garlic.
Yes, you do. Hate garlic. Alright, you guys. It's been a while since I showed you guys the meat. Are you guys ready to see it? I don't think y'all ready. Are you guys ready? Ready, set, go. Whew, baby. Look at this. Honey. This looks so good. Ooh. Wow. Y'all see this? You see me?
You got the cover for this?
Yeah, it's right there. Right here.
Alright. Man, I'm gonna need a back rub after this.
Nah, I need a back rub. Like, it's funny how this look like it's full, right? And then by the time it's done cooking, y'all gonna see every single thing gonna shrink. It's like spinach, I guess. It don't taste like spinach. I mean, if you get what I mean. Alright? It's like cabbage and stuff like that. It's gonna cook down. Alright? You guys, look at my coffee station. It feel like, I don't know. I don't think I'm done. I'm not done with it, but it looks like the plant don't belong there, or the coffee machine. I don't know. Do you guys like it? Comment down below, let me know if I should like rearrange them, move them somewhere else. So yeah, you guys, let your girl know. Alright, you guys, here go the final product. You guys, comment down below, let your girl know what y'all think, y'all. Here it is. Let me know what y'all think. Looks so good. So much flavor, you guys. When I tell y'all, look at this. Come on. Yes, come through. Stop playing with me. Yes, ma'am. Y'all see this? Ooh, that looks so good. We did that, y'all. Hold on. You know your girl got to try this. I taste the spice. I taste everything. Everything. So flavorful. So good, you guys. 10 out of 10. I taste the lime. You know how we wash the meat and clean it and stuff. I taste everything. It ain't nothing to say. So good. I'm out. Baby, I'm out. You already know what time it is. I'm trying not to talk with the food in my mouth, but you already know what time it is. I'm out. Get into it. I'm out. So good, y'all. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Now, let's see what they think. Ooh, they going for taste test, y'all. What you think? What you think? Ooh. Y'all heard that. You guys, I'm out of here. Don't forget to always put God first, baby. We love you guys so much. Please comment down below. Let us know what you guys want to see. Feel free. It could be any dish, you guys. Like, put us to the challenge. Comment down below. Let us know what you guys want us to cook for y'all. Alright? You guys don't have to spend the coin, but we'll do. Comment down below. We'll cook anything. Like, yeah, you guys, don't forget to always put God first, you days. Until next time, bye, y'all. What's up, you guys? Your girl just finished dinner. Just take baked plate out, looking so gorgeous. Looks so good, you guys. So flavorful. When I tell you, oh my gosh, yes, ma'am, your girl did that. Y'all see this? I know y'all see that. Period. This is gagu. It is a Caribbean dish, you guys. Looking so good. You guys see the green beans, the red bell pepper? Yes, ma'am. Don't hate. Go ahead and give it a like. All right. And I did make some rice, you guys. Let me go ahead and show y'all. Ooh, you guys see the steam? Yes, ma'am. This is yellow rice. As you can see, I had already taken the kids. Yeah, go ahead and clear up. Yep, the kids' plate already taken out. But yeah, you guys, we still have leftover. Who wants some?